Good morning, children.
Morning, sir.
Let us start now. Question number 5. A conical shape like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 cm and height 15 cm is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cone of height 12 cm and diameter 6 cm having a hemispherical shape on the top. Find the number of such cones which can be filled with the ice cream. Now we are going to find number of cones filled with that ice cream which is in the cylindrical bucket. So first we draw the figure. Now one cylinder which is full of ice cream, and now we are filling this cone up with ice cream. Now this cone is mounted by hemisphere. The radius of cone and radius of hemisphere both are equal. Radius of cone and radius of hemisphere both are equal. But here this bucket shape of cylindrical, this bucket is full of ice cream, and with this ice cream we are filling these types of cone. How many cones will be filled with this ice cream we are going to find out. So number of cone we don't know. So we shall take now number of cone be n. Total number of cones, the volume of total number of cones is equal to the volume of this cylindrical bucket. Both will be equal. Now easily we can find the number of cones. Diameter is 12 cm. This is given 12 cm. Secondly, height is given 15 cm. This is height. Centimeter. Now shape of cone is given here of height 12 centimeter. And diameter is 6 centimeter. This also diameter given. Diameter is 6 cm. Now solution number 5. Height of cylindrical bucket container height of cylindrical container, that is h, is equal to given 15 cm. Diameter of cylindrical container D is given here 12 cm. Therefore radius of the container capital R is equal to 12 by 2. This is equal to 6 centimeter. Got it? Diameter was given 12 centimeter. I am taking a capital D because 2 diameter is given here. 1 diameter for this container and 1 diameter for this cone, and also the hemispherical shape 6 centimeter. Now height of the cone, that is small h, is equal to 12 centimeter. Radius of cone, that is small r, this is equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6 centimeter. Radius of cone is equal to the radius of hemisphere both are equal, both are same. We don't know how many numbers of cone will be filled with this ice-cream. So let the number of cone be filled be n. Let the number of cones be filled be n. With ice cream bn, number of cone be n. According to question, volume of container is equal to number of cone into volume of one cone plus volume of hemisphere, because it is joined cone shape and hemispherical shape. So now, according to question, volume of container is equal to n into n is the number of cones, volume of cone plus volume of hemispherical ends hemisphere. Now students, we shall write the formula of cylindrical container, formula of cone and formula of hemisphere. After that, at first we solve the formula, then we put the values of height and radius. Now volume of container cylindrical shape, it is pi r square h. So it is pi r square h. This r is capital R, this h is capital H. This one is capital H. This r is capital R. We shall take now r, and this one is small h. Capital H, small h. Small r, capital R. Pi r square h. This is equal to n into 1 by 3 pi small r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Up to here, students, any doubt? Have you clear? Now we start with imply symbol. Pi r square h is equal to n into, we shall take common now. 1 by 3 common. 1 by 3. Pi also same. R square is also same. Because here is r square, here is r cube. We can take r square here. Now r square. Now keep first bracket. Student, 1 by 3 is taking common. So no numerical multiple is there. Only h is remains left. Plus 1 by 3 has taken common. So 2 remains left. So 2 into single r, because r cube is here. R square have taken common. So only r remains left. Second bracket close. We are going to find number of cones. So if we say write the number of cone is equal to, number of cone is equal to, right, first these are multiplied to n in right side by transpose. When we say take this whole in left side, this will be divided. So number of cones is equal to 5 capital R square capital H by 1 by 3 into 5 small r square under second bracket H plus 2 into R. Got it? Now student, this pi and this pi is cancelled. This 3 is in denominator. It is also a fraction of denominator. So this 3 will multiply to numerator. Now n is equal to draw a line first. R square. What is the width R is here? 6 centimeter. Sorry, this one is 6. This one is 6. So this will be 3. Sorry students, this will be 3. The big R is square 6 centimeter. 6 square 6 into 6 and capital H is equal to what? 15 centimeter. So now 15 centimeter. 1 by 3. This 3 will go in numerator. R square. Small r is 3. So now 3 into 3 under bracket H plus 2r. What is the height of cone? 12. So 12 plus r. R is 3. So 2 into 3. 12 plus 2 into 3. Clear? Now my page is completed. I am doing here. May I have this side?
Yes, sir.
Now n is equal to 6 into 6 into 15 into 3 by 3 into 3 into 12 plus 6 18 2 into 3 6 plus 12 that is 18. So now we write 18. Now remove the numbers. 3 3 cancel. 6 3 is 18. 3 2 is 6. 3 5 is 15. Therefore, 8 is coming here 10. Therefore, number of cones can be filled with ice cream. Ice cream is equal to 10. This is our answer. If anybody any question, ask me now. Doubt is clear? Yes, you?
होता है